Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can create this reel inside Premiere Pro.
This is Ashton Hall, a creator, a fitness powerhouse, and the king of morning routines.
All the assets that I used in this video are available on my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. So let's get started. First I will right click here, then new item, and then select color mate, and then just click OK. And then also select the color. I will select the white color, then click OK, again OK, and simply just bring it to the timeline like this. Now go to sequence setting and change the sequence video size to the reel size like this. Now it's okay. Right click on this and then simply just zoom the background. So if we go to our video, our first animation will be like this animations. How can we create that? I will just bring in my image right here, and next I will just simply go to this, and again I will choose a rectangle mask around it like this, and simply bring it downwards. Make sure it's like this so that we can create a certain effect like this. Like this. So I will just simply bring it back to fit, and I will just increase the mask feather from here like this, so it will give us this effect right here. Now we want to create and animate this, so how can we do that? So if we see it's animating like this, so how can we do animate it? I will just add a scale keyframe right here and move back to few frames as our final position. At the start I will simply just zoom in, and this will give us this animation. I will select both keyframes, then ease in, go. I want to create the other one, so how can we create that? I will just right click again, color mate, and I will make sure to check the resolution to 1080, and I will choose a green color, dark green. This is okay. I will just select again and then bring this to the timeline like this. I will just now go to effects control, simply scale it down, uncheck this uniform scale, and then just move it right here, and then I will just make sure to make it like this. Now I will enable again, and if I want to animate, I will do what? I will just simply bring this upward, bring this downwards like this, and make sure to move where our animation ends. So I will just make a scale width keyframe right here, and then at the start I will just simply bring it down, so it will give us this animation. I will just start click and ease in again these two. So our first animation is ready. As you can see, I will just bring the keyframes closer to make the animation faster like this. So if we move forward, I want to create these text animations, so you can just simply add a text layer and place them at a certain point and use animation composer to animate these text. I will just show you few how you can do that. So I will just move to animation composer starter pack, and then in the text presets I will choose this one like this. This is our animation. How can I will just simply go here and click animate out. No, so it won't animate out. And at the I will just make it go to essential graphics, scroll down, and it from here you can just simply rename your text as I will Ashton Hall. So this is our text. From here you can simply change the font in like this, and as we scroll down you can just simply go to color fill and select the dropper tool here and simply change the color of your text like this. And if we see, our animation will be looking like this. I will just do it here like this. Now it's looking cool. Now if you want to create the other text, you can simply use these, and I have shown you how you can edit your text. And if we move forward, we have this animation, it moves forward and it creates another animation. So how can we create that? You go here, select all these except the background, and I will just make them nested. Now I will cut the animation ends like here, and I will just add a effects control, add a position keyframe, move a few frames, and then simply bring it upwards like this. So it will give us this animation. I will just select and then ease in. Now it moves here, so I will add another color made to here, and if go to effects control, and I will simply make it like this. I will disable the uniform scale and position the frame like this. Like this. Now I will just simply add another like this. What I need to do, I need to crop it. So I will go to effects and search for crop and bring this crop to this image. Now I will select crop and just simply make it like this. Now I will go to position and I will make scale and simply place it right here. It's looking good. Now I will add what animation we used in this video. Yes. So I will what I need to do. I will just simply go to color mate, and then I will just add a scale width keyframe, or I will just add a scale height keyframe, move a few frames out of our final position, and I will simply bring this close like this. Now I will just make sure to ease in. Then for this image, if we see, we will move here as our, and I will choose a scale keyframe, and at the start I will just simply scale it down so it will, and at the start I will add opacity, and opacity will be 0 at the start, so it will give us this animation. It's looking cool like this. Now if we move forward, we have this animation, a fitness powerhouse and creator. You can create this same as you created this other text. You can simply just choose this animation, this right here, for this fitness powerhouse, and for the creator you can simply edit your text. Now if we move forward, we have this animation. So how can we create that? I will just simply go here and select all these, right click and nest. I will press C to cut the clip and add the effects control. I will add a position keyframe, move a few frames, then simply bring it out to the keyframe, and I will just again make sure to ease in, so it will give us this animation. So if we move forward, we need to create this. So for the text, you can just create the king of text first, and then the morning routine text, then simply just change the color to blue. And for this line animation, how can we create that? I will just show you. So first I will bring in a random text right here like this. It will start here. So I will just go to essential graphics, and I will just change its color to red so that it's visible. And I will just go to here, and then I will make sure to select a pen tool and create a line like this. So I'll again go to essential graphics, scroll down a bit, disable the fill, enable the stroke, and I will make sure the stroke is something like this, and I will change the stroke color to red, this same color. So this is our line created. So how can we elevate this line? I will go to effects control and either simply scroll down, and I will select this tool and create a random mask around this like this. I will make sure to adjust this uh, very close to the lines. Now I will add a mask path keyframe, move this at our final position, and at the start I will select mask 1 and simply just bring it right here, and I will just move to the end and I will increase the mask feather to something like this, so it will give us this animation. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.